initiated. Let's make some quote-unquote friends.
I never thought I'd say this, but Marvel and Hasbro sent me a Deadpool head in a box. It's app-enabled. Let's open it. Let's get started. This is the box. Body not included. So sad. 600 lines of dialogue though. Expressive movement, app enhanced. 18 plus, not for children. Apparently there's lots of stuff we can do with this thing, which we will do. And yeah, here's a little thing. It's the jerks that brought you the Marvel Legends series. You know, those jerks. You can do jokes, pranks, and insults. I can't wait. All right, let's open it up. I have to be careful with my box cutter. I don't want to slice his head. Although I guess he'd repair himself, right? What is in this box? Looks like got Deadpool's head. It does say 18 plus pretty much everywhere. And it looks like you're gonna need 4C batteries. Also, you can origami a hat. Let's pull him out of here, I guess. Come to mama. Ooh, it's heavy. He's got a heavy head, you guys. Very heavy head. Okay, we gotta get this cardboard stuff off of here. To say I appreciate these new little pieces instead of a bunch of zip ties. All right, the head is free. As you can see, this is a life-size head. This actually might be a little bit bigger than my head, which is, I have a big noggin. So yeah, it does have some motion there, so it'll move, which is very exciting. All right, let's get out a screwdriver and let's put some batteries in this thing. Flip them over. We gotta always have a handy screwdriver nearby. Okay. There's already batteries in here. Well, that's convenient. All right, I think it's time to fire it up.
Hey there, newbie. I know what you're thinking. How in the did Bohunk Wade Wilson lose his body? I'll save you the back issue nosedive and just say this. Never surprise Wolverine with a back rub. Not even on his birthday. Flash forward to now. So, what's your name anyway? I heard Bob. Pleasure to meet you, Bob.
Let's shake him a little.
Hey, we're out of chimichangas.
How about we flip him upside down?
Trophy earned, loot box awarded. Whatever gets your dopamine going.
How about we'll give him a neck massage? Okay, so we've seen what he looks like. Now let's see what this beautiful head can do with the app. Okay, so there's a few different options here. There's make me say shit, make me do shit, and more shit. So let's see what he can say.
Make me say...
There you go. All right, there's a bunch of different options in here. Let's go down the list. There's news.
And after the break, unicorns are real. And boy, are they hot.
Deadpool is such a weirdo. Bedtime.
Good night, body. Wherever you are.
Somewhere. Outbursts.
Censored again. PG-13.
PG-13? The box says 18 plus. Goodbyes.
I gotta go. Gotta take Sabretooth for a walk.
Jokes.
I like my X-Men with big guns and full pouches.
So sexy. Food.
Is that gluten-free? Gluten makes me gassy.
Perfect for LA. Insults.
Ugh, you smell like Beast Lab after taco night.
That is an insult. Selfies.
Selfie!
Threats.
Ha! You think just because I don't have a body I can't kick your... Well, let's dance. Hi-ya-ya!
You don't have legs. Can't dance. And then last, greetings.
Name's Pool. Deadpool. Nice to meet you.
Those are all the types of things I can make Deadpool say. They're not every single thing I can make him say, though. The box says he has over 600 lines of dialogue. And if I'm being honest, if you leave this thing here long enough, he never shuts up, much like Deadpool. Okay, so we've seen what he can say, but now we have to see what he can do. This thing can do pranks. So in the prank section, there's a few different things we can do. There's a bathroom prank.
Ooh. Okay, leave me on top of the toilet like the stinking upper decker I am. Whoa, 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 whoa! Occupado!
I'm glad that he's helping us. There's also a bed prank.
Okay, put me on the bed and turn off the lights. I'm willing to bet you don't hear that often. Honey, you're home from work early. This isn't what it looks like.
Next, a fridge prank where we can put Deadpool inside a refrigerator and then he's activated when the door opens.
Okay, put me in the fridge and shut the door.
These are very cute little cartoons, by the way, in this app. I love them. A captive prank where I guess you put Deadpool's head in a purse? I don't know what's happening here. Let's tap on it.
What's in the toy box? What's in the toy box?
That's a nice play on 7. I'll give him that. Good job, Deadpool. And then it looks like there's custom pranks, so you can set up
Welcome to my prank bank.
a prank bank. And right here it has when the light changes, you can pick noise or movement as well. You can have it say different types of things, just like we saw in the speaking part of the app. And then you can also pick how many times it repeats if the aforementioned trigger occurs. So it looks like you can do all that stuff and kind of set up your own custom prank and put the head wherever you like. And then there's a party mode, which not many of us are doing right now, but you know, hey, if I have an outdoor, socially distant barbecue, maybe I could use this. So let's tap on it and see what it does.
Party mode initiated. Let's make some quote-unquote friends. So, how about last night's sporting event?
It's very good. Very good.
Yeah, and like I was saying earlier, this party blows.
Sounds like all my other friends. And then there's a night mode. So it looks like it says the nighttime is the right time.
Nighttime. Hot. Ooh.
The way he says ooh is really
Tell me about your relationship with your mother.
No, it's really creepy. And those are the pranks you can do with a Deadpool head. And now it's time to check out the last option, more shit.
Is there a body locator in here?
It looks like there's 3 different options here. A do not press, an alarm clock, which seems pretty straightforward, but we'll check it out, and weapons X. So let's check out weapons X. Oh, I can choose my weapon. A taco, or I guess is that a chimichanga? Might be a chimichanga. Could be tacos, could be chimichangas. Who cares? Flick weapon to top of screen.
Chimichanga!
Okay, it was chimichangas. I'm just gonna choke him with chimichangas. All right, what about the stars?
Goliath!
Oh, he's gonna deflect. Wow. Okay, and then the last one here is a playing card with Deadpool's face on it.
Ooh. I want you to draw me like one of your French mutants. Gambit. Or maybe Phantom X.
Gambit. Okay, so that's Weapons X. There's an alarm clock. So the alarm clock is actually labeled the world's worst alarm clock. Wakes you up on time, sometimes maybe. And there's a disclaimer that says the alarm clock is inaccurate 4 or 5 times. Try your chances. So maybe you got a day off, you could try this. But, you know, it is an alarm clock, so that seems fun. And then the dreaded do not press. This feels very exciting. Let's see what that's all about. Do not press.
Whoa! You just launched a warhead at Canada!
Oh no.
Hashtag awkward!
I'd like to apologize directly to all the people of Canada who may be watching this video. Let's press it again.
Wow! You found my time travel button.
Ooh.
2,099 times for the year 2099.
Oh, that's a lot of presses. I feel really lazy. Okay, well, the do not press button seems like something really cute. Little extras. A little sprinkling of personality as if this thing doesn't have enough of that already. All right, so it looks like that's about it. There's a settings section. You can mute him, which that's a miracle. We're gonna do that. And then of course your standard user agreement, privacy policy stuff. Yeah, so that generally is the app. Cool. That is the Marvel Legends Deadpool's premium interactive head. If you want to get your hands on one of these, it'll set you back $100. Pre-orders are open right now over on Hasbro's website, and it ships in the fall. But while you wait, why don't you drop your favorite Deadpool quote down in the comments? As for us, well, we got a lot of stuff to do.
Bye-bye. Gotta go. Big comic book crossover in progress, and you weren't invited.